Our snake infested river. I'm gonna go under there and see a monster. This is Tim and Meg. We're sitting here in the middle of the jungle off a hostel in Santa Marta. Just waking up in the jungle. This hostel is definitely worth checking out if you're around this area. I mean, the views you can't beat.
No, definitely not. There's a river right there.
Yeah,
these
two rivers and the sunset. Honestly, this is one of the better hostels I've been in a while. But today, Meg actually planned out all the activities that we're doing today, and I have no idea what's going on, so it's really all in her hands and I have no control over it. But look at her, she looks like
we're going on an adventure.
Alright, well, we're gonna get some breakfast real quick and then start heading out.
Yeah.
The nice avocado toast. Alright, so these motorbikes just showed up to our hostel and we're getting on them. Where are we going? Motorbike taxis are actually a popular way to get around it over here in Colombia. You go for like a 10-minute ride, it'll cost you about $1. And it's a lot of fun. Oh, mama dog. All right, we just got here. We're in the middle of the woods. Megan just ran off because she has to pee every 5 minutes. We just told our drivers to come pick us back up at 1:30, which is 2 hours here. Just trust that they'd come back for us eventually. And so I really want to try to do a backflip off a rock. I've never done it into a river. And Meg's gonna try to dive. Those are the two goals while we're here. Yeah, nature. You hanging in there, Meg? Come on. Oh, sweat all day. All right, here's some water. So we're getting close to the river. That's gonna lead us to the hidden waterfalls. Time to lose the shirt.
I'm wearing that shirt for like fucking 4 days straight.
All my clothes got stolen. Yeah, someone broke into our hostel and stole all my clothes. So if you see me wearing the same shirts in every video, that's why. So they must have liked my style, right, Meg? Because they didn't take any of my cameras. They just told us there's a big 4-foot water snake up ahead, but it's right in the path of our waterfall, so we're still going. Oh, we made it! We made it! Woo! Meg lost her favorite sunglasses in the bottom of the river. Good thing I came prepared. So scary. Here, you want to try them? Time to dive, Meg.
My nose.
You can't plug your nose. What was that? What are you gonna do differently on this one?
Keep my bathing suit on. Well, what do you have to do today?
I gotta do a backflip. I don't know if I can do this. Backflip?
Oh, be careful. Holy shit.
There's a dead spider over here.
Still have to shit.
I do still have to go to the bathroom, yeah. Alright, my body hurts, my face hurts. How do you feel?
I'm good. I'm great.
We're there for like 2 hours. It's time to head back to the hostel. Let's go. Alright, it's 1:27. Our motorbike text to meet us at 1:30. And we're now close to the entrance. We made it to the road, 2 minutes to find where the motor taxis are. The Mendiwaka Falls were obviously worth it going to, and especially just trying to find them and taking the motor to bike ride. What I loved about them was that they weren't crowded, and it's really just isolated place.
Us, pretty much.
But I will link the Journey Hostel below the video. Backhand that subscribe button, or just press it. I'll see you next time on the dirt road. I was just so scared to see what's underwater, especially since I know there's a water snake around here. Yeah, not backward. What was that?